Hi everyone, welcome to Etoma 16. On our today's lesson, I'm going to explain how we are going to determine the image of the polynomial function p under -2. Is that how we determine image of -2? Hi everyone, welcome to Etoma 16. On our today's lesson, I'm going to explain how we are going to determine the image of -2 under a certain polynomial function p of x. Is that so? In order to determine the image of -2 on this polynomial function, first of all, you have to determine the function, the original function p of x. Is that so? What does it mean? This p of x in general mean? For example, a function is nothing. You can consider as a machine. Is that you can consider as a mirror. Is that, for example, assume that you are here on the chair and you are looking on this whiteboard. Assume the whiteboard is considered as the mirror. Is that unless you are here, it is impossible to get the image of you on the opposite direction of this mirror. Is that it's impossible to look or it is impossible to find the image of a man or a woman behind this mirror. So the image of a person will be obtained if you are here and the mirror is this one. Is that? But it's impossible to get a woman behind this one unless nobody is here in front of the mirror. Is that so? This is the point. Therefore, in order to find generally the image of -2 under this polynomial function under the mirror p, now first we need to find the polynomial function p of x. Look, p of x plus 2 minus twice of p of x is this one. So assume this is one polynomial function and this is another polynomial function. The difference of these two polynomial functions is quadratic mean. We can guess, let the minimum degree for the polynomial. We have to consider the minimum degree for the polynomial. So the minimum degree for the polynomial should be 2. Is that so? We need only that one because it is impossible to say p of x plus 2 maybe what? P of x plus 2 maybe some other function. Is that degree 5 and 2 p of x maybe something another. Is that maybe something another? So the difference of this may be this one. So it is impossible to predict the degree for p of x. Is that so? We have to consider, because of this case, we have to consider the minimum degree for p of x is degree 2, and that is given by let p of x is written as thus ax squared plus bx plus c. Is that this is the least assumption of the polynomial. Then if this is so, you know what is p of x plus 2? P of x plus 2 is given by a of x plus 2 the whole square plus b of x plus 2 plus c. Is that so? When we are writing this problem as this way, a of x plus 2 the whole square means x squared plus 4x plus 4. Is that plus when you multiply all this by b, bx plus 2b plus c. Is that then p of this polynomial means this one. Again, p of x is this one. So twice of p of x is going to be what? Twice of p of x is again given by, since p of x is this one with an assumption, so twice of that means you have to multiply 2ax squared plus 2bx plus 2c. Is that so? The difference of these two polynomial is given as this one. So this is the reason as ax squared plus 4ax plus 4a plus bx plus 2b plus c minus what? This one. The difference, this is 2ax squared plus 2bx plus 2c is perfectly equal to this one. Is that this equivalent? Then now let's subtract ax squared minus this will be what? That is negative ax squared. Is that? So this is negative ax squared. For ax, bx minus 2bx. So first of all, now you have to multiply. I'm sure here I made a mistake because we have to multiply all this by negative, and this is minus, is that? And this is minus, and this again minus, is that? So all should be negative. And because of this, so this minus, this is this one. For ax, let's write as it is, for ax plus 4ax, okay? And for a, we can write as it is, but we'll write this as a constant later. bx minus 2bx mean what? Again, this is bx, is that? bx is left. 2b plus c, is that? That means for a we have plus 4a plus 2b. c minus 2c is given by minus c, which is going to be the polynomial there, minus x squared minus 6x plus 5, is that? First, you have to know how we are going to find the difference of this one, is that? So hence, minus ax squared. Immediately, this implies that two algebraic expression on the left and on the right to be the same. Corresponding parts of this algebraic expression should be the same. So mean minus ax squared should be negative x squared. So now x squared is cancelled by x squared, and minus a is equal to negative 1. Minus a is negative 1. This implies a is obviously 1. We have this. And similarly, we can equate this one. For ax minus bx should be minus 6x, is that? So x will be cancelled out in all the cases. For a minus b is equal to minus 6. And a is already 1. For minus b is equal to negative 6. You can move this on the left. Minus b is equal to negative 10. And b is going to be 10. And finally, let's find the value of c. In order to find the value of c, you know, all this constant should be 5. Is that? For a plus 2b minus 5 is equal to, minus is equal to 5. A is 1 plus b is already 10, 20. Minus c is going to be 5. Is that? So negative c is equal to 5 minus 24. Is that? Negative c is equal to negative 19. And this implies that c is perfectly 19. And therefore, what is the value for p of x? Now, p of x is exactly x squared plus 10x, is that? Because b is 10, a is 1, and c is minus 90, is that? And minus 90. I mean, b is already 90 because c is 90. We have this. So therefore, finally, p of minus 2 is exactly minus 2 the whole square plus 20 plus 90. That? So this is 4 plus 20 plus 90. And which is given by 39, which is 43 value. So the image of negative 2 under the polynomial function is going to be this one. This is all about our today's lesson. If you have any questions, doubts regarding to this one, you are welcome. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe at Homa 16. Thank you.